What's up, guys? My name's Ryan. I am one of the co-owners of Blue Marlin Marketing, and we're a digital media company. We're a marketing agency, really, that specializes in creating email campaigns, creating graphics, creating really anything that you would need to elevate your business in the digital space. We can help you out with that. So today I'm going to show you guys how to design a logo on Canva. So I'm just going to make a logo for our company, Blue Marlin. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to come in here to Canva and I'm going to I opened a logo file. So create a new design, logo, that's how you do that. And first thing I'm going to put down is a text box, a heading. So you start here at this thing that says text. Go ahead, throw that in there. Blue Marlin Marketing. And we can obviously change the formatting. So the way you do that is extend it this way, make it bigger by grabbing the corners here. Pretty straightforward stuff. The way I want this logo to look is I think these should be close together and they should take up equal space as this marketing. That's just my personal taste. You can really, and the cool thing about Canva is you can try it out. And if you don't like it, you just go up to this button in the corner and it's like nothing ever happened. So I'm going to make it like that, shrink that top font a little bit so it sits on top of the marketing in that way. And if I want to, even I can reduce the spacing, the letter spacing. So the way you do that is you hit this spacing button right here. You can kind of decrease it this way. That just decreases the width of the letters. Or you can do it this way, which makes the letters, horizontally closer together. And I kind of like the way that looks. I think it looks very clean, very professional. First thing I'm going to do really is I'm going to make this logo our brand colors, which are kind of a darker blue, medium blue, like that. And then from there, and go over to elements, right? This elements page. Let me walk you guys through these pages while we're at it. So first we start with design. That really lets you choose from any template you want. I prefer creating from, just from scratch. It sometimes leads to better results, but honestly, if you're just getting started, you can use any one of these. And I should mention I'm using the Canva Pro, which is a paid version, but you can honestly do the same thing on any, free version of Canva, really. So if you go down here to elements, you can add in, different little characters and shapes and graphics and really whatever you think would best highlight your business. So one of our logos is this fisherman reeling in this marlin. Now, obviously, the fisherman and the marlin are facing different ways. The way we can fix that is you go up to this flip button in the corner, flip horizontal, and just completely mirrors it the other way. So that's great. Really easy. And I'm not a huge fan of the fish on here. I think I would like him to be pulling in the marlin. So what we can do about that is sometimes with these elements, they don't let you crop it in the Canva itself because they're their elements. So what I like to do sometimes is I'm just gonna delete these. I'm gonna add them back in just a second. Make this bigger and take a screenshot of that. You go to that screenshot and you can pretty quickly just crop that to be any frame size you want it to be to get rid of those elements that we don't want. So just the fish in this case, I'm just going to cut that out. Press crop and done. Now that's saved to my files. You go to upload, upload files. Again, really straightforward from here, this stuff. Add this screenshot back in. And now I'm going to reverse the delete that I did of these two elements. Go ahead and get rid of that fisherman and add in our fisherman without the pole. So as you can see, obviously there's a white background on here, and there's a really easy way to fix that with Pro. You go to Edit Image and Background Remover. If you don't have Pro, you can kind of do that, in different ways. You can probably find a way online to do it, or you can do it in Photoshop or anything like that. But this is one of the benefits of having the Pro features. You get these extra benefits like that. So I want the fishermen to be pulling in the marlin like that because we're a lead company. We kind of specialize in helping businesses find new leads and connecting them via email and SMS and social media with new prospective clients. So one of the ways we do that is by reeling them in with our with the features we offer and our different social media features and our email design features and everything like that. So I think this logo really sums up what we do pretty well. And from there, you can just go ahead and change the color of the Marlin. I'm going to make it blue, same color as that. If we like that, we can keep it. I think that looks okay. Make it a little smaller, maybe move it around a little bit. And then from here, it's really just kind of playing around, seeing what you think looks the best, what you think emphasizes the brand that you're going for in the best way. And to make this guy blue, I actually should have done that before I cropped it. So luckily I have another one right here, so no worries. Go ahead, edit image, background remover, same thing. Easy peasy. And then just like that, it's like he's pulling in the Marlin. And that's like a very, very basic thing that we could do for any kind of business, or a feature that you could use for your own business, designing your own logo. It doesn't have to be overly complicated. It can be really straightforward like this. Blue Marlin Marketing kind of sums up what we're all about and has all the features that we're looking for in here. Now, if we wanted to, we could just delete that and we can go back to design, and let's see if I can come up with something else here. So we can go ahead and grab one of these pre-made designs, like this ocean surfing one. That looks pretty cool. Go ahead and put that in there. And now you can go through here and delete different elements and change different elements. So I think that's really cool. So you can go ahead and type in Blue Marlin Marketing. And it'll keep the curve. It'll keep the font the same. That's obviously something you can change if you want to. You can change the font by going up in this corner right here and scrolling through, seeing which ones you like the best. See how that looks. I think I like that. That was League Spartan. Let's go back to that one. And then let's say I want to change this wave, or maybe even certain colors in the wave. I can go here to color. I can, use this color slider and see what color I want that to be. Or I can just click these document colors, which kind of analyzes the file you have open and, kind of has a good way of intuitively knowing what colors you're using and what theming you're using for your brand. That might be a little dark. I'm going to stick with white for now. I can always come back and change that. And you can change any of these highlights on the wave like that. Or I can just get rid of the wave altogether, which is actually what I think I'm going to do. So I can go ahead and delete that, go to elements, and let's search up Marlin. So let's use a different one this time. I kind of like this one. That one's pretty cool. And then obviously, again, we can go back in here, change the colors around. Maybe leave the type black and we change the circle to blue. That could be kind of fun. I like the way that looks. That doesn't look too bad at all. And, it has these two little curves right here. If we want, we can get rid of those and go back into shapes. It already gives you an option for circle right there. You can go ahead and throw this in there. Maybe add another smaller ring around it. Maybe that's too thick. I can go back, choose one like this, shrink it down, and really make it work for you. That's the cool thing about Canva, is it's designed to just work for you. So, and I mean, that's a logo. We did it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you were able to learn something. It's really straightforward stuff. Having the Pro really helps. If you don't have the Pro, it's not a huge deal. There's still other ways around that. You can really kind of design it in any way you want. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. We have a ton coming out soon. Thanks.